What's up, everyone? It's BradTaylor here. Y'all, I just want to make a quick video to let y'all know we're at 39 subscribers right now on YouTube, and I'm almost to 420 some on Instagram. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I truly thank each and every one of you for following the channel, liking my stuff, subscribing, sharing. I really appreciate all the support, y'all. I'm trying to show some of the art in the background because some of these pictures, one of them are going to be given away here soon. But anyway, I truly want to thank every one of y'all from the bottom of my heart, all the support and all. I just really want to thank everyone. It really means a lot to me that you guys are actually liking my stuff, following the channel, enjoying some of the content. I know some of the videos are a little raw and uncut. There'll be more cut, more better here very soon, y'all. I'm really working hard on making this channel everything it needs to be to get the content out that actually brings some value to your all's lives. You know, and here soon, this channel, I want to make it towards some children and young adults, even older adults. It don't matter what age. I really, truly want to make this channel where it's all about teaching the art, teaching y'all, you know, the basic concepts of drawing that'll truly change your capabilities as an artist, you know. And that's what this channel is really about. It's about showing the love, getting the art out there, just showing what you can do, learning some of the basic skills that I know. And basically, I want to keep this video short, but like I said, I just truly want to thank y'all, every single one of you, for subscribing to my channel. I hope y'all are liking the content. I truly do hope you are liking it. And like I said, they're going to get better. The videos are going to get better. I'm taking more time out to learn this whole process. This whole YouTube thing's a new thing to me. But you know, this is truly a dream of mine, to get my art out and just to show the world what I can do as an artist, and to show you all what you can do as an artist if you just take the time to learn these basic skills. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. Like I said, at 250 subscribers, we decided we're going to give away some art supplies. I don't know what yet. It might be a drawing pad. It might be pencils. And if you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. You know, but we're going to give away 250 some art supplies, and at 500 subscribers, I'm going to give away an original picture drawn by me, autographed by me and the team here at I Love to Draw 24-7 BradTaylor. 24/7 BradTaylor. I always mess that up, y'all. Sorry. But I truly want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys are enjoying the art, and y'all have a blessed day. Peace.